Hi everyone, in today's video I want to give you a review of two courses I took to learn everything about affiliate marketing. So we will review the 15-day challenge by Dave Sharp, and we will review as well the 3-day challenge by Jonathan Montoya. So we'll go inside the Legendary Marketer course, and we'll check as well the 3-day challenge from Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 by Jonathan Montoya. So you can see exactly what you get when you spend $7 for either course. And I'll give you my honest opinion on both courses so you can decide for yourself what you think of them. But the main thing is that you will see exactly what you get in both courses, and I hope it's going to help you guys. Okay, so let's start with the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 3-day challenge. So this is what you get when you buy the $7 course. Both of the courses are $7, so you won't be able to choose by the price here. They're the same price. One is 3 days, the other one is 15 days. So that's what you get. First video, you're gonna have a 54-minute long video of Jonathan explaining to you what is the three-step system that helped him, to quit his job. He was working a job he didn't like, so he found a way to break out of the system and create his own business. So he went ahead with affiliate marketing and he's been successful, and now he's teaching you how to do it as well so you can be successful as well. So that's what you get. You get a workbook. You need to sign up to the Facebook page where you'll get lots of support. So do it if you sign up, and you can try the ClickFunnels 14-day trial for free right here as well. ClickFunnels is usually $97 per month, and a lot of people don't want to pay that price when they don't know if it's going to work or not, even though you should. I mean, if you believe in yourself, you would go ahead and do it, right? Like buy it. I personally didn't take ClickFunnels. I took System.io because you have a free option if you don't have a domain name. But if you have your own domain name and you want to link it to your funnel, you'd need to pay for the $27 option, and this one will let you link your domain name, and you will have as well your autoresponder, of course, which is not included in the ClickFunnels plan. You don't have any autoresponder. You need to buy a separate one. So if you want more for your money, System.io is a really good option, especially when you start. So I'll link as well the video, because I made a video to show you exactly how to set up your System.io funnel, and I'll link it below the video, and as well how to set up your autoresponder in System.io. So feel free to check it out. So first video, that's that. Second video is Jonathan is gonna hold your hand and take you on a 40-minute long video, no, 40-minute journey to show you exactly how to set up your funnel. So it's great because you can pause the video if you want, and you can do it on your own funnel as well. So even if you don't know anything, you don't need to know anything, because he will literally show you everything and you just need to copy. Couldn't be any simpler than this. And it's an hour long video. And after that, you get some bonuses. So you can copy his own ClickFunnels funnel. So you just need to click here, and then you'll change your links, and that's that. You can copy his System.io funnel if you don't want to create your own one. You want to copy his one, you can do that too. It's here. You get some bonuses, a free ebook, and you can put your own links in the ebook. I've got the ebook as well, and you can find it in the link below the video. I'll post it under the 3-day challenge. Under the 3-day challenge link, you'll see it. And here you have the checklist on how to change everything in the ebook to make it your own. Then you get some scripts, autoresponder, emails. You get a homework, and here you have some affiliates websites to try. So that's day 2. Day 3, Day three is the most important, I believe, because it will help you to drive traffic to your funnel. So once you created your product and everything, you signed up to your affiliate program, you created your funnel. Now you want to have people seeing that funnel so they can eventually buy of your funnel, right? So you have an hour and a half long video where it teaches you everything and anything. So that's a great video. I really recommend it. And after that, if you want, well, you get some homework in the Facebook group and everything. But if you want, you can unlock the Freedom Breakthrough Program, which is all this. So if you want to know more about paid ads, or I believe you have some videos, some modules about YouTube or TikTok, Facebook. What else do you have? Well, you have a lot, as you can see right here on the side. Yeah, YouTube video scripts and everything. So here, if you want to do so, you just click here. It's going to take you to the payment page. It is $1,500. You can make 3 payments if you want, if you cannot pay the whole thing, and you will have access to all this, all the bonuses, all the modules and everything here that you can find on the side. And that's that. So once you complete the challenge, you are welcome to sign up to the affiliate program, and you will get 50% commissions. So if you sell a $7 course, you'll get $3.50 per sale. And that's completely free. I mean, you just need to sign up if you really enjoy the course and you can talk about it and you feel that a lot of people can benefit from it. Do so, because the more affiliate programs you have, the better it is, the more money you'll make in the long run. So that's that. So Jonathan is really focused on affiliate marketing. So if you want to create an affiliate marketing business, I recommend this course because it's 3 days and it's going to get you straight to the point. It shows you everything you need to know, and that's it. So it's really specialized in affiliate marketing. Now let's go to Legendary Marketer. Oh, as well, I want to point out that some countries are blocked with Legendary Marketer, and some countries are not able to buy the Legendary Marketer 15-day challenge. But know that the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 3-day challenge is accessible from anywhere. So if you have someone who wants to start a course to learn about affiliate marketing and you're promoting Legendary Marketer, let's say, and they can't access to the payment because it's blocked, you can send them to Freedom Breakthrough, because they will be able to pay and purchase this course. So that's a bonus too for this course. I mean, there's no country is blocked. So that's a good one. So Legendary Marketer, 15-day course, a lot more content, but it's going to give you a lot more information for digital marketing businesses in general, freelance digital marketing businesses. So you don't have to just do affiliate marketing. It's broader, so you get a lot of videos about mindset as well. As you can see, you get 15 days. So 15 days, all the days are going to unlock every day. Once you complete one, you're going to have another one unlocked. So the first day is this one. It's a 51-minute video. Number one secret to build to get a high profit business online. So super interesting. Number two, the core four. So here's the video, 45-minute video. You will get a check when you finish when you finish the day one, of course, assignment one. You get assignments after each day, usually. Here, you'll be able to set up a phone call with a business coach. So you can do so. You have 2 calls with your business coach. So they're free, completely free. And your coach will help you to guide you. I mean, it will guide you. He or she will guide you to set up the perfect online business for you. I mean, if you don't know how to start, or if you have any questions, you know what you want to do, but you have questions, the coach is going to be there for you. If yeah, like, honestly, free calls, you'll get a lot of information from your coach. Go ahead, do it. it's free. It's included. So it's included in $7. So that's that for the day 2. Day 3, it's a 44-minute video, and Dave Sharp is going to show you exactly what to do from scratch to build your funnel in under 30 minutes. Same thing as Jonathan Montoya. This one is a 44-minute video, and again, you can pause the video, you can do it yourself if you want, next to him, up to you really. So that's that one for day 2. You get some bonuses as well. You can set up your funnel. Here you can, as you can see, same thing. It's got a funnel completely built for ClickFunnels, and you can just copy it as well. And you have like the different funnels right here that you can take and change the links, and they're yours. And yeah, it gives you create your free Aweber account. That's the autoresponder, and that's it. Then going to day 4. Day 4 is a 22-minute video, how to master inner game of wealth. So you get a lot of mindset videos, and they're great. It's always good to hear them. So that's that. You can buy the Rich Dad Poor Dad book here. It's completely optional. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can. Here it's an 11-minute video, 11-minute long, the big day developing your business plan. Yeah, so here you're gonna make your business plan. It's great. So you create your business plan and you can submit it right here. Day 6. Day 6 is here. You have questions, so it's 30 minutes, and he answers to some questions in a video. You get testimonials here. Day 7, let's go. Day 7 is a 14-minute video. When should I quit my job to build my business full time? So here you get some people telling you exactly when to do it, and if you have to do it, if you need to do it. So that's that for day 7. Day 8. What are high income skills and why do you need them? 12-minute video. Here you can buy the blueprints. So the blueprints are a lot more expensive than the $7 course, of course. It's $2,500, completely optional. But if you do it, you'll get a lot more help for sure. You'll get some live trainings every week. You'll get a lot more support to get you to your end goal. So if you want to be successful a lot quicker, the blueprints are your go-to. So you can do that. And if you need extra help with marketing, we're happy to now offer a one-on-one session. So you can get that too if you need more help. So you have a lot of support with Legendary Marketer. Day 9, high income skills. Number 1, lead generation, because this is the most important, as we know. So lead generation is what you want. You want to get leads. So here's a 23-minute video. It's going to tell you everything about that. Day 10, high income skill number 2, copywriting. You learn a lot about copywriting, and you know it is important when you're in an affiliate marketing business. So 30 minutes of everything you need to know about copywriting. Great video. Day 11, high income skill number 3, sales and presenting. It's a 7-minute video. It's very quick. Then you got day 12 here. Day 12, 12-minute video, what to outsource. And day 13 is using OPM to build your business. And it is a 14-minute video. And day 14, how to avoid entrepreneur syndrome, 21-minute video. And then you get day 15 is just the end video to tell you congratulations, you accomplished the 15-day challenge. So that's that for the Legendary Marketer 15-day challenge. So this is what I would say. I would say both of the programs are great. They're only $7 each. So I personally did both of them, and I would recommend, if you can, to do both of them. But if you need to choose between the two, Okay, know that Legendary Marketer is not only just about affiliate marketing. So if you want to go into a freelance digital marketing business, which is not just affiliate marketing, you can definitely take this course because it will give you a lot more, and you have a lot more content, and you'll get a lot more help with your personal coach. But if you want just to focus on affiliate marketing and that's the only thing you want to do, um, go with the Freedom Breakthrough 3-day challenge. It's only 3 days. If you want to go straight to the point right away with your business, 3 days only. So, same thing as Jonathan Montoya's affiliate program here. When you complete the Legendary Marketer 15-day challenge, you can apply to become an affiliate, and you will get, let's say if you sell a $7 course, if somebody buys off you, you'll get $2.80, whereas you'll get $3.50 with Jonathan Montoya's. So same thing, you get an affiliate program. Here you get more products that you can buy if you want. So you have different options. Everything is completely optional. Um, a lot of people do take the other options, the other programs that are offered, because they're really helpful. And again, if the goal is to make money as quick as you can, I mean, it's always good to have some support. You have a Facebook group too with Legendary Marketer, and I really highly recommend to sign up to the Facebook group because you'll get a lot of help from the other affiliate marketers as well. What else can I say about this program? Every day they have a live call in the morning, and I love that. I really love that because you get so much help. You get so much advice by other affiliate marketers that are doing it, promoting this program. Or you don't have to promote this program at all. It's completely optional. Again, you can promote whatever you want, but the live calls are so helpful. So it's every morning, Monday to Friday at 8 a.m. my time, but I'm in mountain time. So yeah, so that's what you get with Legendary Marketer. So if you want to take both, take both. If you need to choose one, the blueprints here are more expensive than here, but here it's not only just about affiliate marketing. So that's what I would say. I would say it will really depend on what you want to do. And that's it. And again, if you live in a country that is blocked by Legendary Marketer, but it's only a few countries that are blocked. I know there's a list that you can find online and you'll see it. Then you can go ahead and get this one. And this is my review on these programs. I really enjoyed both of them. I really learned a lot from both of them. Um, so, I mean, for $7, you're not breaking your bank. But if you have to choose one, it really depends on what you want to do. Thanks again for watching this video, guys. It was a long video. I'm sorry, I tried to make it short, but it wasn't possible. There's so many things that I wanted to talk about and to show you. So if you liked it, please give me some thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. And again, if you have any questions about affiliate marketing, I'll be happy to help you out and respond to your questions. Leave the questions below. And again, I'll leave some links below. You can get my free ebook that I created myself under my Legendary Marketer funnel, and the link is below. Same for the Jonathan Montoya ebook that you get if you buy the course. I'll leave it below as well. It's going to be under the 3-day challenge funnel. The link is below. And I'll link as well 2 other videos, YouTube videos that I created. One is about system.io and how to create your own funnel. So you can go ahead and check it out if you ever want to use that platform to build your funnels. And there's another video as well on how to set up your autoresponder in the system.io system. So everything is linked below. Don't hesitate if you have any questions, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.